Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here. Today we are unboxing Birchbox. Yes, I can't show you the part that says Birchbox because that's where they put the stickers. So, yes, Birchbox. Birchbox is, in case you don't know, a monthly beauty subscription that you get usually 5 or 6 sample products. They said they're going to up their game and we're going to get better products. So we'll have to see if that is true. And now they do curated, so you can choose from 2 boxes that they've already put together and you're just picking everything in that box, or just pick one thing for your box, or everything can be a complete surprise. So they're changing everything up. Also, if you do it month to month, starting June 1st, I believe, so the very next box, it's $15 per month. If you do a 3-month subscription, it's still $15 per month. If you do a 6-month subscription, it is $14 per month. And if you do a yearly subscription, it is $13 per month. Now that's up from their $10, and 15 is getting really close to that Boxycharm 21, so they are really going to have to step up their game. But if you're interested, I'll put my link below, and let's get in here and see what I've got. Now, if you know Birchbox, you know that it comes with these things all around the sides, and they're a nightmare to get open. So I've already opened that, but I have not taken out my box. So let's take that out. And this is the inner box this month. Birchbox every month sends a little box. It's not quite as fancy schmancy as like the Glossy Box, but it's still a nice little box to save all of your samples in. I use it to segregate samples like mascaras and lips and just a million things, but it's nice to have. Okay, so when we open it, we have cards, and then we have our goodies. No peeking. Okay, we'll set that over there and let's look at the cards. I'm going to glasses up to do that. And the first card is the Female Founder Collective. And it says that they are thrilled to announce that they have joined the Female Founder Collective, a network of businesses led by women supporting women. Your box this month is a celebration of these and all powerful female entrepreneurs. So those are the people on the front that I would assume are the Female Founder Collective. And then we have this paper that tells us who everybody is, and on the back tells us about all the goodies we're about to see. I selected Curated Box number 2 this month. Last month I actually selected Curated Box number 1. So they have put together in the last 2 months since they've started this new program, boxes that I was willing to say, you know what, I do think I want all of those. And even if I don't want every single product in here, I want enough of them that it makes this box well worthwhile. So let's get in here and see what I've got. For starters, and this is one of the reasons, this is the Beauty Blender Be Cheeky. It is a smaller size than the regular Beauty Blender that's meant to be used with blush. Let's get this little fella out of here. But still, you know, when you soak these up with water, they get much bigger than they are, but I think they say they double. So that is that. And he's so cute. And he's just meant to be for that. Frankly, I got him for concealer because I use my big Beauty Blender and I just kind of give it a squeeze and get in here, but I figured this whole fella would be easier. And he seems, and granted he's not wet, but it seems a little firmer than the regular Beauty Blender. So we'll see when it's wet. But that is one of the reasons that I picked the box this month. So let's see what the little card says about it. It says that this is the full size, which we knew, Beauty Blusher Cheeky, and has a retail value of $16. So I only paid $10 for this box because I signed up back when it was still $10. So that's a great deal. But even if you paid $15 for the box, this covers the cost of your box. It's the perfect size for cream or powder blushes or highlighters. It's designed to curve to the apples of your cheeks. I'm hoping it curves to the contour of my under eye. Let's see what's next. Okay, next we have a Grande Lips Plumping Liquid Lipstick. It's a great color. Let's see what this says. Grande Lips Hydra Plump Plumping Liquid Lipstick in Vintage Rose. Yay, that sounds just like me. Says that if it were full size, it would be $25. This 3-in-1 liquid lipstick's creamy semi-matte formula is built for comfort and will never crack or crease. Well, that's good. And anything that claims it's going to plump your lips, I am down for because I have thin lips. This is a great color. I am going to enjoy this. That is so pretty. Vintage Rose, and it looks like it's still moist, but that it's going to dry down. So we'll have to see once. That's how I decide if I like a liquid lip. Once it dries down, I don't want to You know that tight feeling and you feel like, I know, now I'm making crazy lips, but you feel me? Next we have the Smith & Colt, which I generally like their products. Doe My Dear, and it is a full-sized, I would call it grayish nail polish. It's a very pretty color. Let's see what it says. As you can tell, I generally get my nails done and I have a lot of events this summer, so I will probably continue that. But this is a great color to keep on hand because it is the type of color that when I'm doing my nails myself, I lean toward because I don't do a great job. So if I can find one that's like a nude. This says nailed lacquer, Doe My Dear, full size, $18. And that's what this is. So now just that and the Beauty Blender, $34. One coat gives nails a sheer gray taupe color that flatters almost any skin tone. 2 coats makes more of a statement. Well, who doesn't want to make a statement? Let's open this. Let's see. I just had my nails done today. Oh, so the top just comes off. Let's find something to put this on while attempting not to ruin my new manicure. Here, we'll just put it on this nice little paper we're reading. It is a gray beige. I hope you can see that right there. Looks like it's fairly thin. Now, in all fairness, I put it on paper, and who knows if it absorbed in a little bit, but it is a color that I would love. Now I have to not get that on my nails. Fingers crossed. Next, we have Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Daily Serum. That's a cute little thing, but he's tiny. This says it has an MSRP of $8 US right on this tiny little thing. Let's see what this says. Yeah, this they say is worth $8 because they say the full size is worth $44. It is the Environmental Rescue Daily Serum. Think of this lightweight serum as an invisible army of antioxidants. It fights against fine lines, improves elasticity, and makes your skin tone more even and bright. Well, those all sound like very good things. It's interesting to me that this little fella is $8, but I'll give them a try. I've gotten several Real Chemistry products in my boxes, but I've never tried them because usually they're the aggressive ones, the ones that are peels and that kind of thing, but this will be interesting, so I'll give it a shot. Okay, next I have, oh, it's a little High Beam Mini, and it's a 0.13 fluid ounce. That's the box. Let's get in here. You know what? I don't have a High Beam. I got the one that was gold in one of my other boxes, like my Boxyluxe. What's the gold one called? Sunbeam? That seems obvious, but I think it might be. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute she is. That's really cute. I like the High Beam. The gold beam that I got really doesn't suit my skin tone. I seldom use liquid highlighters, but this is just really, I hope you can see that. There it is. It's just kind of a, see if I can blend it out some. I put too much on. Oh, it does blend out nicely. You know, back in the day when I bought this the first time, and I can't even imagine how many years ago that was. I say Google when this came out, and that's when I tried it. I want to say 15 years. But highlighters weren't what they are now, so every time I used it, I felt like I was glowing, and it felt a little conspicuous. But now, I make everything glow. What is it Toddy says? Glowy and hoey. But like it's a good thing. That's it blended out. Hope you guys are getting that. Yeah. So I like that. I will definitely use that. And they say that the full-size retail value of that is $26. They don't tell us what this little fella is, but it's a long time's worth in my world. And last but not least, I have the Moroccan Treatment Oil, and it's light. So it's for hair more like mine. That's light and thin. That, when I talk about it, it makes it sound sad. And it's not sad. It's just not what it used to be. Okay, this says the Moroccan Oil Treatment Light full size is $34. This is the little one. This treatment is a versatile all-in-one product that can be used to condition, style, and finish your look. It's specifically formulated for light, colored, and fine hair to make those delicate hair types smoother and more manageable. Smooth and manageable is great, but I'm really trying so hard to wash my hair every other day because it is fragile, and I know how much better that is for your hair. But I can't put oil in my hair on like day 1 to tame frizz because it just stays oil. My hair is, they say that the shaft is so tight, is what they've always said to me, that it just doesn't really absorb the oil quickly enough. So I use oils when I use them the night before I'm going to wash the next morning. So I could use it in theory every other night, and I hope that it absorbs enough of the oil that it's good for it and it helps it not break. So anyway, that's what I will do. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it didn't have a safety cap or anything. What does it smell like? Let's put some on. Get my finger in here. Oh, it is some kind of oily too. I just put a little on the tip of my finger. I hope you guys can, you can see the outer edge of my hand is completely oily. My hair would revolt against that. Oh, it smells really nice though. Oh well, and now I have it on my nose. Okay. So that is my box. It's up to you. Do you think they stepped up their game? I have a full-size Smith & Colt. I have a cute little high beam. I have a nice travel size, is what I'll call it, Grande Lips, the full-size Beauty Blender, the Cheeky, the little Real Chemistry Serum, and the Moroccan oil for your hair. It cost me $10, so I would say it's definitely worth it to me because I would have purchased that Cheeky Beauty Blender. It was just a matter of time. So technically, this box cost me $6 less than just that would have cost. This is absolutely a nail tone that I would use when I do my own nails. And the other things are fun to play with. So I would say definitely worth 10, worth 15. This one, probably to me, because like I said, I was going to buy that Beauty Blender anyway. But how about you? Do you think it's worth that? Would you pay $15 for this box, or would you put another $6 to it and choose the Boxy? It's a tough call, isn't it? If you know you're really going to like it, the way to go is definitely to do the year. Because although you're only saving a couple dollars a month, which ends up to be like $24 a year, for some reason it feels so much better to receive this for $13 instead of $15. Maybe that's my own psychology. Maybe I'm way off base, but that's how I think. Okay, that's the end of my Birchbox. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate every single one of you being here. And please like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And I will see you soon with a new unboxing. Actually, I have my Glossy Box sitting right there, ready to be taped. So I'll see you real soon. Bye, guys.